It's just me walking around and I happen to fall in a bowling alley. Emmanuel, Minio. Marcelo. I couldn't get it. Wow. Wow. This one, I must win. This is how YouTube works. This is how it works. Manini ball the chill. Let's follow the ball. Hey. Alpha. Thank you. Alpha. Okay. Still, I'm with my favorite ball. Once again, I'm going to. I wasn't able to. Okay. I keep on failing. It doesn't mean I'm not going to win. I'll win this one. My boss, another one. Hey, this is how YouTube works. Sometimes you post a video, it can load, and it gets no views, it gets no attention. Sometimes not even a like. Same goes as the bowling as well. You throw every ball, it doesn't mean you are going to win, but sometimes your expectations will be high, and you end up getting disappointed. You don't just give up. You go like that. Oh, back cow. No, I didn't win. One more. Okay. Chirano. Chamisa Romo. One more. I'm far. This one definitely. I feel like crying. I feel like crying. Ooh. No, I don't like this one. Let me do one more. Oh. One more. Hey. That we see me too, you know. A tattoo. You know, I say this one around me. Do but try. Still, I come back home. Most of the time, you see what? About. Oh. Huh? My director is going to try. Quiet. I'm fine. Okay. Same position. Same position. Hey. Yes. Yes. We are done with bowling. Let's go. Follow me, follow. This is a beautiful area. It's very nice. And I'm enjoying the breeze. A real quick one. Kindly push the subscribe button, like and share my video. I beg you.